Okay, happy Thursday. It's time for round two. Bum, bum, ba-dum. I have another squishy dumpling that I need to open. I'm so excited. Let's see what I have here. All right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's the blue one. It's cute. Okay, let me open it. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like to get my fingers and my toes polished this color. So maybe when I go back to the nail shop, I can get my toes and fingers to match. My little squishy dumpling.